Daf Yomi, Tractate Bava Batra, page 59a, top of the page. Tanan. We learned in the Mishnah, Hamaz Chela Yesh La Chazaka. Bishlam Mandam Hanach Tarti Shapir. Okay, one second. We learned in the Mishnah with regard to a gutter pipe, one does have the means to establish an acquired privilege for its use. Hamaz Chela is a gutter pipe. So the Gemara asks, Shapir, granted according to the one who says for the first two explanations, in other words, Shmuel and Rabbi Chanina as well, the distinction between the halacha with regard to a spout and that of a gutter pipe is clear. Since the gutter pipe is fixed in place, there is an acquired privilege, and it may not be moved or shortened. But according to Rav Yirmiyah bar Abba, the one who says that the Mishnah means if the owner of the field wishes to build beneath it, he may build. What difference does it make to the owner of the gutter pipe if the owner of the field builds beneath it? Why would he have the right to prevent it? Shall binyan askinan the amarle lo nichali dis sitra ishtai. The Gemara answers, here we are dealing with a gutter pipe that is made of stone and is built into the walls of the building. In a case where the owner of the gutter pipe said to the owner of the field, it is not amenable to me that you build beneath my gutter pipe, as my walls will weaken as a result. Rav Yehuda Shmuel. Rav Yehuda says that Shmuel says, Sinor hamkaleach mayim mechatzer chavero. With regard to a pipe from which water is draining into another's courtyard, and the owner of the roof comes to seal his drainage pipe. Sinor hamkaleach mayim mechatzer chavero. Uba bal hagag lisosmo. Bal chatzer ma'akev alav. Domarlei. Ki hechad ant kinyan lach chatzer didi lemishtave maya didi nami kani li maya dei garach. Okay. Okay. Yehoshua said, Shmuel says, regards to a pipe from which water is draining into another's courtyard, and the owner of the roof comes to seal his drainage pipe, the owner of the courtyard can prevent him from doing so, as the owner of the field can say to him, just as you have acquired my courtyard for the purpose of throwing your water into it, I have also acquired the water of your roof, and since I wish to use it, you may not seal the pipe. Okay. Itmar was stated, Rav Yehoshua Amar, Rav Yehoshua said, Akiv. Rav Yehoshua said the owner of the courtyard can prevent the owner of the roof from sealing the pipe. Rabbi Chanina, Rabbi Yehoshua's father, says he cannot prevent it. I'm sorry, Rabbi Chama, Rabbi Yehoshua's father. He cannot prevent. Rabbi Yehoshua went and asked Rabbi Chama's father. Rabbi Bisa said to them, he can prevent it. Rami Bar Chama read the verse about him, and if a man prevail against him, that is alone, two shall withstand him, and a threefold cord is not easily broken. Ve'achut hamishulash lo b'mhira yinatek. That's a famous line in Proverbs. Ecclesiastes 4:12, saying that this applies to Rabbi Yehoshua, son of Rabbi Chama, son of Rabbi Biza, 3 generations of scholars of one family who knew one another and conversed with each other with regard to matters of halacha. Basically, there was Idmar, Rabbi Shai Omar, Makev, Rabbi Chamar, Inamakev, Azal, Shaila, Rabbi Besa, Amar Leib, Akev, Kreila, Rabbi Chama, Ve'achutim Shalash, Lobi Har Netegs, Ze Rabbi Oshai Beno, Rabbi Chama Beno Shel Rabbi Besa. Okay, that's basically what we just read. Rabbi Chama read the verse about if a man prevail against him as alone, 2 shall withstand him, and a 3-fold cord is not quickly broken. Ecclesiastes 4:12 saying that this applies to Rabbi Oshai, the son of Rabbi Chama, and Rabbi Bisa, the 3 generations of scholars in one family who knew one another and conversed with each other with regard to matters of halacha. The Mishnah teaches that with regard to an Egyptian ladder, which is small and portable, one has no means to establish an acquired privilege for its use. The Gemara asks, what is an Egyptian ladder? Like the members of the school of Rabbi Yonah say, it is any ladder that does not have 4 rungs. Does that mean most ladders are Egyptian ladders? According to this. Okay, the Mishnah teaches that with regards to an Egyptian window, one has no means to establish an acquired privilege for its use. The Gemara asks, what is the difference with regard to an Egyptian ladder that the Mishnah does not complain what it is, and what is different with regards to an Egyptian window that the Mishnah does not explain what it is? The Gemara answers, it was necessary for the Mishnah to teach that the definition of the Egyptian window according to the unattributed opinion of the Mishnah, because it wants to recite the dissenting opinion of Rabbi Yehuda in the letter clause. Okay, I think we're going to do part B. I don't know the koiches. Right now it is. Very soon I will. Koiches. Shayches. Okay, we'll stop it here.